Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hoverboard carts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for the perfect budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Hoverboard seat attachment. This model offers a solid frame built with 1.2 millimeters thick steel tubes, making it incredibly durable and capable of supporting up to 265 pounds. It features an adjustable length from 25 to 33.3 inches, meaning it's versatile enough to accommodate both kids and adults. The ergonomic seat is made of high-density polypropylene, offering superb comfort during long rides. Plus, its powder-coated finish provides excellent resistance against rust and corrosion, ensuring it lasts for years to come. The design shines for outdoor use, with a specially designed front wheel featuring a dust-proof ring for smooth and flexible turning. Assembly is straightforward, taking only about 5 minutes, and the cart comes with clear instructions and all the necessary components, including 4 straps. This model is compatible with most hoverboards from 6.5 to 10 inches, but it's worth noting that it doesn't fit hoverboards with a bar in the middle. It's a fantastic option for families who want an easy-to-use cart that's safe for kids and beginners. On the downside, the Hishine model lacks some advanced features found in higher-ranked carts, such as shock absorption or foam-padded handles. Additionally, the price isn't clear, which could be a deal-breaker for some buyers. Overall, this is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable, basic hoverboard cart that's great for outdoor adventures and family fun. At number 4 is the Flytrax K2 self-balancing scooter go-part. This hoverboard cart stands out for its dual shock absorption system, which provides a super smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. The heavy-duty telescoping frame can be adjusted from 28.3 to 33.5 inches, making it suitable for riders of various heights. It's also equipped with upgraded off-road rubber wheels, which are perfect for tackling more complex surfaces like gravel or grass. With a maximum load capacity of 265 pounds, it's sturdy enough for both kids and adults. The design incorporates foam-padded handles that are both sweat-absorbent and non-slip, ensuring a secure grip. The manual control system allows for forward, backward, and 360-degree spins, which adds a fun and dynamic element to the riding experience. Assembly is quick and easy, taking only about 5 to 10 minutes thanks to the included tools and instructions. It's also compatible with most hoverboards, ranging from 6.5 to 10 inches, provided they don't have a central bar. While its rear shock absorption and off-road capabilities are impressive, the Flytrax K2 falls short in terms of premium features like LED lights or more advanced adjustment options. It's also a bit heavier than some of the other carts on this list, which might affect portability. Nonetheless, it's a fantastic choice for adventurous riders who want a durable and versatile hoverboard cart. Coming in at number 3 is the KKA Hoverboard seat attachment. This hoverboard cart is an excellent choice for families, offering an adjustable frame length from 26 to 34.5 inches to accommodate riders of all ages. Its larger ergonomic seat is designed to contour to the human body, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The manual control system is intuitive, allowing for smooth acceleration, braking, and reversing, while the 360-degree rotating front wheel enhances maneuverability. Build quality is a highlight here, with a reinforced metal frame and durable straps that provide reliable performance over time. The cart also includes rubber protective pads and dual footrests for added safety and comfort. Assembly is a breeze, taking about 5 minutes, and the included toolkit ensures you have everything you need. It's compatible with most hoverboards ranging from 6.5 to 10 inches, except those with a central bar. However, the KKA hoverboard seat attachment does lack advanced shock absorption features found in higher-ranked models. Additionally, while the build is sturdy, it might not be as rugged as the Flytrax K2 for off-road use. Still, it's an excellent all-around hoverboard cart that's perfect for families looking for a safe and enjoyable riding experience. At number 2 is the Gotrax Hoverboard Kart Seat Attachment, the budget-friendly option on this list at just $59.39. Despite its lower price point, this model doesn't compromise on quality. It features an ergonomic seat for better comfort and stability, along with an aluminum double-tube frame for added durability. The adjustable frame length ranges from 29.33 to 37.8 inches, making it suitable for riders of varying heights and ages. One of its standout features is the easy-to-use handlebar steering system, which allows for smooth starts, stops, and 360-degree turns. The anti-slip rubber handlebar and foot grips enhance safety and control, making it a great choice for beginners. Assembly is quick and straightforward, taking less than 10 minutes, and the Kart is widely compatible with hoverboards ranging from 6.5 to 10 inches. While the Gotrax model offers excellent value for its price, it lacks premium features like shock absorption or off-road wheels. It's also limited to basic indoor or smooth outdoor surfaces, so it may not be ideal for more adventurous riders. Nevertheless, it's a fantastic entry-level kart that delivers solid performance for casual use. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Gyrer self-balancing scooter seat attachment. As the premium option on this list, priced at $109.64, this hoverboard kart is designed for maximum safety and comfort. The thickened and reinforced seat, capable of supporting up to 265 pounds, provides excellent durability and comfort for riders of all ages. The adjustable frame length ensures a perfect fit for kids and adults alike. This model excels in build quality, featuring a robust rubber material and a sleek design that enhances both performance and aesthetics. Safety is a key focus, and the kart delivers a secure and exhilarating ride every time. Assembly is simple and straightforward, and the Gyrer kart is compatible with hoverboards ranging from 6.5 to 10 inches. The only drawback here is the higher price point, which may not appeal to budget-conscious buyers. However, for those willing to invest in a top-tier hoverboard kart, the Gyrer offers unmatched comfort, durability, and performance. It's the ultimate choice for riders looking for a premium experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.